Hi there, and welcome to the non-farm payrolls preview for their February reading. I'll start with the expecteds. So for the non-farm payrolls headline figure, that is expected at 195,000, with a low expectation of 70,000 to a high of 245,000. Furthermore, for the components, we've got the average hourly earnings expected at 0.2%, with a range of flat to a high of 0.5%. Finally, for the unemployment, you have that expected at 4.9%, with a range of 4.8% to a high of 5.0%. In terms of our trade we've seen during February, we did see the risk-off sentiment initially dominant in markets, with the S&P falling about 6.7%, with Treasuries gaining about 3.5 points. However, amid a slew of positive US data bolstering general domestic sentiment, alongside things such as China cutting their RRR, improving the global sentiment, we did see these moves roughly pair, with US asset classes finishing the month roughly flat. In terms of this data release itself, I've seen a few analysts highlighting that this may be less in focus than normal, given that a March-September rate hike has been roughly priced out of the market, with federal fund rate futures currently pricing in about a 10% chance of a rate hike. Furthermore, they also state that given the recent market turmoil, a positive reading in this may not be sufficient to convince the markets that that recent turmoil has come to an end, and furthermore, given that the unemployment rate is currently at 6-year lows at 4.9%, they have stated that a soft data point is unlikely to convince the markets that the US economy is weakening. In terms of the data we've seen this week, we did see the ADPs print a positive data, coming in 24,000 higher than the expected. However, it is worth noting that we did see a negative 12,000 revision. And furthermore, in terms of the ISM manufacturing and non-manufacturing, we did see both the headlines coming in positively. However, it is worth noting for the non-manufacturing, we did see the unemployment component coming in under expectations. That's it from me. I wish you the best of luck trading the event.